The City of Clermont Utility Billing Department is excited to introduce our new utility customer portal called Utilities Access. This new portal provides our utility customers with some great online capabilities for your convenience. From the main City of Clermont website, you will click on Departments and under Finance find Utility Billing. If you haven't gotten a chance to review the information on our utility billing webpage, I recommend doing so as there's a lot of good information on it. So once you are on the webpage, click on the red button that will bring you to our utility customer portal. Once you are on the portal, you'll then click the blue utility billing link on the right side to get started. The first option listed on the utility billing portal is to do quick pay, where you can type in your account number and customer ID number and pull up the balance due to pay your bill. You can find your account information on your utility bill. So once you type it in, you choose Find Bill. Takes a second to load your data. You can verify the amount matches what's on your bill or change the amount and hit Continue. It will ask you when you want to pay. You could choose now or schedule a specific date. You will select either the credit or e-check option, type in your payment information, and then your email to receive a receipt. Once you complete the information, hit Continue. It will confirm with you that we received your payment. The other option is to create your profile and link your utility account to it. Whether you are an established customer or a new customer, you will need to initially sign up and create an account. Select Sign In and Sign Up. Click Create an Account. You're going to add your email, your first name, your last name, your mobile phone number, and choose your password. Then you will select Sign Up. It's going to send you an email code to verify your email that you provided. The verification email is titled Community Access Identity from a no reply at Tyler email. It will offer you to set up additional security options, or you can just click Continue. Once you have an account, it will ask you to add your account if you are an established customer or connect service if you are a new customer. For the purpose of this training, I will start with the new customer connect service option. The City of Clermont website will tell you what documents you need to start a new utility account with us, which you will need to upload to our system. First though, you will select if you are a business or residence, and if you are an owner or a tenant. Type your name, driver's license number, and a phone number. Once that's completed, select Continue. Then it will give you the instructions on the registration process. Type your start date for service, your service address, and a mailing address if it's different than your service address. If your mailing address is the same, you can select the checkbox that it's same as service address. You can also type any notes that you want to tell us at the bottom. And once it's filled out, select Continue, and you'll be brought to where you can upload your documents. If you are an owner, you will upload your documents in the first two sections. If you are a tenant, you will upload yours in the bottom two sections. Do not submit without documents because your account will not be open without the required documentation. After you submit your documents, you will be brought to the Terms of Service section. You can click the link to read through the terms. Once you're finished, go back to the checkbox to check that you've read and submit. Once your request is submitted, the utility billing team will review your documents, create your account, and email you information about your utilities. Once you get the email from them, the last step will be to log on and pay a deposit. Once we get your payment, a service order will be created to turn on your water and you'll be good to go. Now for established customers, click the Add Account button, type in your account number and your customer ID number, which you can find on your bill, and then hit Add Account. So now we are in your specific customer account. This main page will give you a quick glimpse of your current account information, including your current balance, the due date, and your last payment. On the top right, you can pay a bill, enroll in auto pay, or schedule a payment. If you click on your initials in the top right corner and go to Payment Methods, you will be able to manage your payment methods that you've previously added. If you choose Profile, you can update your password or manage your security settings. On the bottom of this page, you will see your billed consumption history graph that if you have water and irrigation meters separate, you can toggle between both the meters. This consumption history should be in line with what you see on your utility bill. Going down the left side menu, the Manage Account section will be a list of addresses that you have attached to your account. So if you own multiple properties that have tenants, you can add each of the accounts here if you want to keep an eye on the consumption. Or if you moved from one address to another in Clermont, you could keep or delete your old address and choose to add account and link your new address. The Account Detail tab will show you some additional information like which services you have at the property. Also, if your mailing address changes, you can update that directly on your portal on this tab. Click the pencil, update your address, then hit Submit. That will save automatically to our billing system, so you don't have to call us anymore to make changes. Next, we will look at the Transactions tab. This tab shows the long list of bill and payment history on the account. This is what the customer service reps can see on our side as well. If you need to look back further than a year, you can set your date parameters as far back as you want to see. The next tab is your consumption history. This is close to what you could see on the main page, but will also provide the consumption totals by month at the bottom. Again, you can toggle between your house meter and irrigation meter if you have 2 meters. Next is the Service Request tab. You can select your address, select which type of service request you'd like, pick your date, and write us a message to explain your request. The cutoff time for same-day requests is 2 p.m. You will have to submit it for the next business day. I recommend using this feature for non-emergencies only. If you have an emergency, you will still want to call our emergency number at 352-241-0178. Once you submit your request to us, the utility billing team will review your request and account and likely call you to discuss before dispatching a technician to the property. The Contact Preferences tab allows you to enroll in paperless billing, or you can choose to get an email and a paper bill. You can also set and edit your billing reminders, which will tell you when a new bill has generated, when your bill is about to be due, and when your bill is past due. It defaults to alert you for all, but you will have to enroll yourself in paperless billing. The Connect Service tab here is the same as the Connect service from the beginning of the video. This will likely only be used from this screen if a current customer is registering an additional home in the city. Lastly, you can request to disconnect your service if you move out. You will be required to give us the date and a forwarding address to either send you a final bill or your deposit refund. Once you complete the forwarding address information, select Continue, and it'll submit the request to utility billing. We hope you will enjoy our new customer portal. For any questions, please contact the Utility Billing Department. Thank you and have a great day.